Australian aged care is consistently ranked amongst the best in the world. Now thanks to an exciting initiative that's been funded by the Australian Government Department of Health and Ageing and is operated by the Joanna Briggs Institute, the quality of aged care is set to improve even more.
There. That should feel better,
It's good, but it still hurts. Asha, maybe it will get better one day. You know a lot about these things, don't you? Do you study hard?
I try to, but there's a lot of information out there and it's hard to keep up. And I have a lot of paperwork to do.
So she has trouble swallowing even sips of water. I'm not familiar with the guidelines for that. Put her on Neil orally and let me do some searching and I'll call you back. Okay? Bye. Swallowing problems. So many different guidelines. Who has time to read all that?
Edna, are you doing your exercises every day like I showed you?
I'm an old lady. What does it matter at my age?
Well, it matters a great deal. It could be the difference between maintaining your independence or losing some mobility. There's a lot of research to prove it as well.
Is there? If you could give me some more information about that, it would be most encouraging.
Right. Well, I'll see what I can do. And in the meantime, if you just lift that up again, let's have a little look. Not too far, is it?
Healthcare workers and consumers all have to negotiate an ever-increasing range of complex information, including research findings and guidelines. Deciding which of these lead to the best outcomes is a task that is becoming very difficult to achieve. However, the Joanna Briggs Institute, through funding by the Australian Government Department of Health and Ageing, have created an aged care specific online resource to take the hard work out of best practice in aged care. The Joanna Briggs Institute is a world leader in reviewing healthcare research and evidence and making it meaningful for the people who use it. JBI COnNECT is a one-stop shop for healthcare consumers and healthcare providers, including nurses, carers, managers and owners, allied health practitioners and general practitioners. JBI COnNECT contains a series of nodes or health specialties, the first being aged care. JBI COnNECT provides simple, quick access to the latest information on a huge range of aged care issues, as well as software tools to improve practice.
I'm very comfortable now.
JBI COnNECT gave me the latest information on the treatment of Ellie's ulcer.
She changed the dressing to a new thing. I've had this pain for a year, but in 3 weeks, it's gone. Now I can walk again.
Since then, we've comprehensively audited our wound care practices using the JBI PACES audit software and made a lot of changes to what we do. We've updated our wound care procedures to reflect the best evidence from JBI COnNECT. We know that what we're doing is based on solid research and evidence. And we're using the JBI Cool online program to compare our outcomes with other aged care homes. We're doing really well. We're proud of ourselves and we can't wait for a next accreditation assessment.
So do that until I can come in later today to do a full assessment. Thanks. JBI COnNECT gave me a useful, up-to-date summary of what I needed when I needed it. I don't have time to search dozens of separate pieces of information every time I need to know something. It helps that the aged care homes I visit also use evidence summaries and best practice information sheets from JBI COnNECT. We're all working with the same information.
Mark gave me an information brochure from JBI COnNECT that helped me to see why I needed to do those exercises. Biscuit dear?
Thanks.
All I needed to know was why it was so important.
JBI COnNECT is a one-stop shop providing access to evidence summaries containing the latest information to guide best practice. Best practice information sheets give busy clinicians the information and recommendations for practice they need based on rigorous reviews of research. Evidence summaries are individualised to meet the needs of many different aged care provider groups. Consumer information sheets help healthcare users be informed about their care and treatments. Procedures, also called care bundles, have been researched so that they comply with the best evidence. Even better, they can be incorporated into organisational practice manuals. JBI PACES is an online audit tool that takes the hard work out of auditing and creates a structure for changing practice. JBI Cool allows aged care organisations to benchmark against other similar organisations with full privacy and anonymity assured. JBI COnNECT brings a world of evidence to aged care. It's simple. Get online, get the evidence and get it into practice.